Are four-lug wheel spacers safe? When it comes to the safest four-lug wheel adapters, always choose the genuine brand set.
Good hub-centric wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that need specific load requirements. BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub flag. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of wheels. These BONOSS Forge active cooling hub-centric wheel spacers are vehicle-specific. This means they are made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue. The safety of wheel spacers largely depend on their quality, fitting, and installation. If they are of low quality, improper fitted, or installed incorrectly, police can arise while driving. So the wheel spacer installation must exactly match the wheel assembly and the ring hub holes. Step 1. Loosen the lug nuts and lift the vehicle. Place jack stands underneath for added safety. Step 2. Clean the wheel hub. Step 3. Place the BONOSS hub-centric wheel spacers to the hub. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance. Step 4. Reinstall the wheel. Put the wheel back onto the hub and secure it with the original lug nuts. Step 5. Tighten the nuts with a torque wrench. Step 6. Lower the vehicle and tighten the lug nuts again. Choosing the right wheel spacer is essential for both aesthetics and performance. By following these guidelines and opting for BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric spacers, you ensure a safe, vibration-free, and durable upgrade.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about the BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comment. See you in the next time. Bye-bye.